Good morning, students. Unit 7 Matrices and Determinants. We have gone through matrices in class 10. Now we are going to see matrices and determinants. We are going to see the extra topic called determinants. This determinant we are going to see in second exercise only. We are going to see the basic of matrices. We are going to see only the basic of matrices in this exercise. So, if we are going to go the first subdivision, they given a suffix ij is equal to I minus 2j the whole square divided by 2, where m equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. To find m cross n, so m cross n nothing but 2 cross 3 matrix. I need to find 2 cross 3 matrix because they given m, they given n. M is 2, n is 3. Therefore, 2 cross 3 matrix A is equal to matrix of A suffix ij. So, we need to construct 2 cross 3 matrix. Construct 2 cross 3 matrix. Therefore, A will be 2 cross 3 means 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 rows. Therefore, it can be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23. 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, A1, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. This is row, first row, second row, first column, second column, third column. So now I am going to apply a suffix ij. They given a suffix ij is nothing but I minus 2j the whole square divided by 2. This is I, this is j. This is I, this is j. So a suffix 1 1. I is nothing but 1, j is also 1. Therefore 1 minus, what is j? 1. 2 into 1 is 2 whole square divided by 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square by 2. Minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 by 2. We have got 1 by 2. Next, A12. A12. I is 1. J is 2. I is 1. J is 2. I is 1. Apply 1 minus. What is J? 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 the whole square divided by 2. 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square divided by 2. Minus 3 the whole square is nothing but 9. 9 by 2. A suffix 1 3. A suffix 1 3. I is 1, j is 3. I is 1, apply minus, j is 3. 2 into 3 is 6 whole square divided by 2. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square by 2 is nothing but 25 by 2. This minus will become plus because of whole square. 25 by 2. Next, A21. A21. Here I is 2, j is 1. What is I? I is 2. 2 minus, j is 1. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 divided by, first put whole square, then divide by 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. Next, A21. After 2 A21 we need to write A22. I is 2, j is 2. Apply here 2 minus 2 2s are 4 whole square divided by 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square divided by 2. Minus 2 the whole square is nothing but 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. After A22 I need to find A23. Apply here 2, here 3. So 2 minus 2 3s are 6. 2 minus 6 the whole square divided by 2. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Minus 4 the whole square divided by 2. Minus 4 the whole square 16. 16 by 2 is nothing but 8. Now I can apply here. I need to apply here. A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A13. Apply 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 25 by 2. Next one is 0, 2, 8. What is the order for this matrix? 2 cross 3. So, this is the first subdivision answer. Second subdivision, A suffix ij, modulus. This is a modulus 3i minus 4j divided by 4 with m equal 3, n equal 4. M equal to 3, n is equal. M is a row, n is a column. Therefore, we need to construct a matrix. Construct 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. So, what the matrix will be? A is equal to 3 rows but 4 columns. Therefore, A11, A12, A13, A14. A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. 3 cross 4, 3 rows and 4 columns. First apply A11. A11 is equal to I is also 1, J is also 1. So 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1 divided by 4. Modulus of minus 1 by 4. You know this modulus will make minus into, this minus will become plus. So 1 by 4. After A11 I need to write A12. Here I is 1, J is 2. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 4 2s are 8 divide by 4. Therefore modulus of minus 4 minus 5, not 4, minus 5. 3 minus 8 is minus 5, minus 5 divide by 4. This minus will become plus. So plus 5 by 4. Next A13. Next A13. Apply A13. Here I is 1, J is 3. Apply 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 3s are 12 divide by 4. Modulus of minus 9 divide by 4. This modulus 9, this minus will become plus 9 by 4. After finally A14, I need to apply A14. Modulus of 3 minus 4 4s are 16. Close the modulus, divide by 4. 3 minus 16 is minus 13. Minus 13 divide by 4. This minus will become plus 13 by 4. So we have finished up to first row totally completed. Next second row A21. A21 is nothing but A21. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 into 1 is 4 divide by 4. 6 modulus of 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Modulus of 2 divide by 4. There plus only, so no problem, put plus as it is. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. A22 modulus of, here also 6 because 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Modulus of 6 minus 8 by 4. Modulus of minus 2 divide by 4. This minus will become plus. If you are going to come, remove from modulus. So I can write as 2 by 4. What is 2 by 4? Nothing but 1 by 2. Next A23 is equal to modulus of 6 minus 4 3s are 12 divide by 4. Modulus of 6 minus 12 is minus 6 by 4. Minus will become plus 6 by 4. Answer is 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Next, after A23, finally A24. This is the last element in this row. Apply 6 minus 4, no, 4 4s are 16. Divide by 4. 6 minus modulus 16 is minus 10 divide by 4. Minus 10 will become plus 10 divide by 4. Nothing but 5 by 2. I have got answer as 5 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 2 because 10 no. 10 divided by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2. So this 2 rows completely over. Next I need to move towards the third row. Third row is A31. A31 is equal to, here 3 no. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 into 1 is 4 divide by 4. Modulus of 9 minus 4 is nothing but modulus of 5 by 4. Modulus of 5 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4. Next A32. Modulus of 9 minus 4 2s are 8 divide by 4. 9 minus 8 is nothing but modulus of 1 by 4. Modulus of 1 is 1 by 4. A33 modulus of 9 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 by 4 is equal to modulus of 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12 is nothing but modulus of minus 3. Minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 by 4 it becomes plus 3 by 4. Next A34 is equal to 9 minus 4 4s are 16 by 4 is equal to 9 minus 16 which gives minus 7. Minus 7 divided by 4 which gives plus 7 by 4 because minus will change into plus. Now I need to apply these values in A because the last answer we need to apply no A. Apply in A 1 by 4, 1 by 4, next 5 by 4, next 9 by 4, next 13 by 4, next 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, next 5 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 7 by 4, order is 3 cross 4. This is the required answer for this sum. Second sum, they given two matrices, they given equal also. This is called equality matrix because How many rows is present here? 3 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns right hand side and left hand side. Since both the order is same for left hand side and right hand side, since the matrices are equal, the corresponding entries on the both the sides will be equal. Since the matrices order is equal, the corresponding entries on both the sides are equal. Here, what is the unknown here? I need to find unknown. If I easily find what is unknown here, P is unknown, Q is unknown, R is unknown, and S is unknown. P, Q, R, S is an unknown. So I need to equal the corresponding entries. This one I can equal to this one. So how we P square minus 1. P square minus 1 is equal to 1. So minus 1 come this side. P square is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. P is equal to square come this side becomes plus or minus square root of 2. Therefore P answer is nothing but plus or minus square root of 2. So P is over. Next I need to take 0 and 0. I don't need to find 0, leave it. Next Q. I can equate Q with this entries. Minus 31 minus QQ is equal to minus 4. So minus Q cube goes this side becomes plus Q cube. Minus 4 comes becomes plus 4. Already minus 31. Minus 31 plus 4 is nothing but minus 27. Minus 27 is equal to Q cube. Q cube is equal to minus 3 the whole cube. I can write as removing cube on both sides. Therefore Q is equal to minus 3. We have got Q answer also. Next I need to find R answer. So 7 no problem. R I need to equate this one. R plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. R plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. 1 moves this side. R is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. Cross multiply. 3. 2 into 1 is 2. Divide by 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. R is equal to 1 by 2. Finally, I need to equate minus 2 minus 2, 8. Finally, I need to equate to S. S minus 1. S minus 1 is equal to minus pi. S minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Let minus 1 come this right hand side. S is equal to 1 minus pi. So, we have found the answer for P, Q, R and S. So, this is the second sum. Answer for the second sum is over. Next, third sum. I need to find x plus y. I need to find x plus y. I am going to solve this sum very easily. We can, this also order 2 cross 2, this also 2 cross 2. Therefore, since the matrices are equal, order is equal, the corresponding entries are also equal. So, I am going to take this entries alone. 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is the first entry. 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus y equals 7. Next, I can write 4x is equal to 7y minus 13. I am not going to take this value. 5x minus 7 is equal to y. I am not going to take this value also. But I am going to choose this value. What is this one? 4x. 4x is equal to x plus 6. If x moves this way, it becomes minus x. 4x minus x is nothing but 3x is equal to 6. 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. I can easily find the value of x. X is equal to 2. After finding x is equal to, I can apply the x value 2 is equal to here. So applying 2 into what is x value? 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 2s are 4. Y is equal to 7. If 4 comes, it becomes minus 4. 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4 is 3. So what is the find? We need to find x plus y. So x plus y is equal to x value is 2, y value is 3, 2 plus 3 is answer is 5. So this is the required answer for this sum. Very easily we have found the sum. Thank you.